Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem in which we have to find out the sum 3 plus 6 plus 11 plus 20 dot dot dot. Okay, so in this question, we have to find out an, that is tn, and sn. Okay, so we have to solve this thing. Now, you know that if you'll observe this series, you will not find out this to be part of APGP, HP, AGP, or any special thing. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to apply the concept of VN series. How we will do that? We will keep on finding the difference till we get either a constant number or GP. Okay, so let's write down this thing. So we got 3, 6, 11, 20, 37, 70. Okay, so what we will do, we will find out the difference. So first difference is 3, then we have 5, then we have 20 minus 11 is 9, then we have 17, then we have 33. Again, we did not get any constant number, not we neither we got constant nor we got GP. So again we'll do the difference. So we got 2, we got 4, we got 8, we got 16. So if you'll observe 2, 4, 8, 16, they are in GP. So we got things in GP. Now, do you remember that we used to write formula for Tn as AR to the power n plus polynomial of k minus 1 order. Now look at this how I will manipulate. So if you'll observe the common ratio, you'll find out to be 2. So what you'll multiply with 2 to get 4, so it is 2. 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, so common ratio is 2. So can I write a 2 power n? Okay, now focus on polynomial. So k minus 1 order. Who is k? K is the number of mazduri. So how many mazduri you did? You did one tire difference and two tire difference. So you did 2 times difference. Correct? So k is 2. So if k is 2, k minus 1 is 1. So you have to write down one order polynomial. One order polynomial means what? Ax plus b. Generally we used to write down this thing, na? But you have already used a, so you cannot use a. So can I write bx plus c? Yes. Now, but your variable is n, so you cannot use x. So instead of using x, use n. So it will become bn plus c. Now what you have to do? You have to find out value of a, b, and c. Okay, so how will you do that? Look at this. So this is your tn. Okay, so proper this is not tn, it is in the form of a, b, and c. So first we will try to find out the value of a, b, and c. Now suppose that we are interested in finding t1. Okay, so if t1, so in place of n you will be writing 1. So can I write 2a plus b plus c? So t1, so according to us term 1 is 3. Correct? Now suppose that we are interested in writing term 2, so t2. So in place of n we will be writing 2. We have 3 variable a, b, c, that's why we are creating 3 equations. So we will be using n as 2. So we have 4a plus 2b plus c, and the second term is 6. Now I will be using term 3, so it is 8a plus 3b plus c, and we got 11. So we got 3 equation, 3 variable. Now we have to solve. Suppose this is equation a, this is b, this is c. Okay, now look at this. So what I am doing, I am subtracting, I am doing b minus a. So if I'll do b minus a, we will be left with 4a minus 2a is 2a, 2b minus b is b, c minus c is done, equal to 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now this is first equation. Then we have c minus b. So 8a minus 4a is 4a, 3b minus 2b is b, c minus c is gone, then we have 5. Now this equation is E, this equation is D. Okay, this equation is D. Now what we will do? We will do E minus D. So if you do E minus D, 4a minus 2a is 2a, and b minus b is 0, and we have 2. So we got value of a as 1. Okay, so if a is 1, you can substitute value of a over here. So b will become 1. Correct? So if a and b, a is 1, b is 1. Okay, now we have to find out the value of c. So if you'll substitute value of a and b over here, you will get value of c as 0. Okay, so you got value of a, b and c. Now you can write down the formula for Tn term, the proper Tn, the final Tn. Final Tn will look like 2 power n plus b is 1, so n. This is your formula for nth term. Now you can apply the limit. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can apply these kind of concept into certain situations, and you guys can extract maximum benefit out of it. So see you guys in next session of Mathflix.